Alright, here we are, back with part 2 of my video series on switching from a Mac Pro and Mac OS to a NUC with Ubuntu on it. I have here everything that I'm going to use in this video. I've got the NUC, I've got my 2.5-inch solid state drive from OCZ. It's still in the drive sled from my Mac Pro. And I also have the crucial 4 gig DDR4 stick, and I even have a little thumb drive here for loading the operating system onto the computer. So without further ado, I'm gonna start by taking this thing apart and actually getting this other stuff out of the way. So I'm gonna need, looks like a Phillips 2. This is a really nice little tool set I got when I was in Akihabara, which, by the way, if you ever get an opportunity, I highly recommend going. It's cool. And this thing seems to be stuck, so whatever. I'll just use it as a regular old screwdriver. The screws to take this thing apart are located in the feet. There we go. Oh, I guess they stay in there. That's good. It'll help me to not lose any screws. Well, by the way, in case you were looking for any sort of technical information on this computer, any links or information that you might want with one of my videos, it's not actually in the video itself, you'll usually find down in the description. So my previous video is going to include a link to the Intel Arc site that has all the specifications for the Core i5 chip that is in this computer. Okay, what am I doing wrong here? There we go. Alright, so I'll set that off to the side. And I'll just pick this up. And now I can get to the DDR4 slots. Now this is a 260 pin SODIMM RAM, in case you're looking to build one of these. And there we go. That appears to be in. Alright, so I'm going to put this back now. Oh wait, no. Yeah, I'll put that back. I'll put that off to the side. And now it's time to get this thing out of the drive sled. Number 2 won't cut it. I'll need a number 1. If that'll even work. So interestingly enough, the drive sleds for the Mac Pro were not designed to accept 2.5-inch hard drives. So that's why I have this little adapter plate, which I think I found for like $10 on eBay or something. I don't know. It's been a while. there's that. Set that aside. Now I'm going to need to switch to flathead. Oh crap. I'm just messing up everywhere. I really hate flatheads. It's so easy to like slip off to one side. Stab yourself in the finger with a screwdriver. I may or may not speed this up later, we'll see. Alright, there we go. And I'll just flip this over. And there we go. I'll put that over with my drive sled. Let's see if I can put this in here. I don't know if I said this before or not, but this is a 240 gig drive, and I should really pay attention and put this in the right way around. So, there we go. It always helps to pay attention when you're working with sensitive electronics. There we go. So that's about it for this build. Which way does this go? There we go. And I'll switch back to Phillips now. Number 2. A lot of people don't know this, but Phillips screwdrivers actually have different sizes, and they're numbered. So this set has a 1, 2, and 3, but there's also 4s, and there's 0s, and I think after that it's a 00 or something. I don't know. Usually you find those in eyeglass kits, or if you're trying to take apart Apple products. Alright, so there we go. The NUC has the hard drive and the RAM installed, just enough to get it up and running to start with, and I'll be upgrading it later. And I may or may not make another video for that. Probably not. We'll see. But yeah, there you go. That's all there is to putting together one of these computers. And the next video is going to be about installing Ubuntu. See you then.